You only use one of these, so you'll just tear that apart. And then what it does is we'll put this in here, and this little clip just holds the engine on so it doesn't fall off. And then you put this in here, and you guys all know, like if you're gonna jump start your car, you know the cables that you use, like little clamps on them. Well, you use that, only a lot smaller ones, and you clamp it on each one, and then you put it to a battery source, and then the electricity causes a little explosion in there, and that ignites the powder and sends the rocket up in the air. Do you guys know how to tell how high the rocket goes?
Is it gross?
Well, under the nose cone, we have what we call an altimeter, and this is just a microchip that reads the air pressure, and we have little holes. You can see these holes that are drilled in it. Well, this allows air to seep through that hole once it goes up high. And then, do you guys know what happens when you go up? What happens to the air when you go up? Yep, it gets thinner. So that's how this thing tells. It measures the air pressure, and that's why we drill the hole so the air can get in there, and it tells us how high we go. Because obviously, here in Iowa, the air is a lot thicker than it is in Colorado. That's why it may be hard to breathe, or call them out. Engine with either like a 4-second or 7-second delay charge. And after that amount of time, it'll cause an explosion. And what that does is separates the rocket because they're built in pieces. And once that separates, it'll make the parachute come out. And then you can see the parachute, try to get out here, and then it just pops out. And then once the rocket reaches the ground, all you have to do is put it back in and replace the engine, and you're good to go. And there's some other rockets you guys can see. This is what the seniors all built, so I don't know if you already saw those, but you can definitely take a look at those. Any questions? Yeah. Yes. Yep. Yeah, I do. You know that?